What is going on, everybody? I'm sorry it's a little dark, but today we are out here early. Welcome back to my channel, and those of you guys that are new, welcome to Mars Fishing Adventures. Today, you guys can't really see, but I got the kayak out here, and today we have made it to the beautiful South Padre Island. I am going to be doing some saltwater kayak fishing. It's been a minute, guys. It's been about 3-4 months that I haven't been on the kayak, but today I decided to finally bring the kayak out. The wind's supposed to be good. Tide's high right now, so it's going to be going down. So hopefully we can get on some redfish, some trout. I mean, anything that wants to bite. I'll take some catfish even at this point, because I have not been on the kayak in a while. But we're going to get to it, guys. See you guys when the sun is up and when we are at the spot. All right, guys, sun is starting to peek out. Gonna be looking for some tails or some blow-ups, whatever. Starting to get my lure in there. Oh, look, something over here. I don't know if this is a tail or what, but to start me off, I got a topwater tied on from Sally Saltese, the Tumbaga. And on my second setup, I got a Texas made lure bay bug in that Dos Equis color with a 1/8 ounce locked up jig head. Let's see if we can find some fish today, guys. And since the tide is high, I'm gonna be cruising down all these mangroves right now. Cruising all the edge. So if I find any tails, see if I see any action, and just casting my lure where I think the fish would be. Since it's high tide, these fish are gonna be pushed up along all these mangroves. At least that's what I'm hoping, right? And if not, if we don't do anything, and if we can't make anything happen here, we'll just keep moving around. See if we see some action, blow-ups, tails, whatever. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we got that Sally Saltese Tumbaga tied on, dude. I'm hoping we get some topwater action. Today's supposed to be a cloudy day. There was rain on the way coming over here, and it was raining bad. There was some lightning and thunder, but I mean, look, the sky's clearing up. We're in here. Thank God for another beautiful day, and hopefully we have a successful fishing trip. If not, it's always fun just to be out here, man. It's always a blessing just to be out here, able to fish. My topwater setup today is going to be thrown on my Penn Pursuit 4 LE edition. I got 10-pound Missouri braid, running to 20-pound Berkeley mono, and I got a small speed clip from Topwater Company. On this one, it's a Cast King Royal Legend Pro on my Lose Laser TXS rod. On here I got 15-pound Missouri braid running to 20-pound Berkeley mono, and also here I got tied on a small speed clip as well with that Texas made bay bug, man. All right, guys, there's a lot of action here. Seems like skipjack, so I'm getting the Texas made bay bug in here. So I get him to smack it. Oh, okay, we got a smack already. Yeah, they're here chasing shrimp. I seen a bunch of shrimp bounce. Saw a bunch of shrimp jumping out in this area, so I had to imitate it. So I got that Dos Equis Texas made lure with a 1/8 ounce locked up jig head. Oh my gosh. That was a nice hit. Felt heavy. We're getting smacked. It's small though. Whatever's hitting the line is not big. At least this one's not. This one felt little taps. Yep, we're on. We're on. What the hell did we catch? Oh, dude, oh my gosh. A freaking flounder. A flounder on the Texas made bait bug. It's a stud too. It's a stud. Oh my gosh. Let's go, boys. Let's see if I get this camera on. Dude, look what I just caught on the Texas made bait bug. Dude. Oh my gosh, man. Guys, check out the new hat. Buck hook. Sweet hats. Hey, bro. Oh my goodness, on the Texas made bait bug, dude. You think the flounders are stacked in here? We just caught a pancake, dude. Pancakes for breakfast, baby. Chill out, bud. Chill out, bud. I know you want to get out. I'm sorry you're going with me today. Check it out, guys. What, dude? I don't know if you guys can see that Texas made bait bug. Dos Equis color. Let's go, boys. Let's measure them. I think this thing has to be 15. Hopefully he's a keeper size. Be the first fish on the board. Ooh wee! 18 and a half, dude. Let's freaking go. All right, guys, check them out. Here they are. Texas made bait bugs. And that's Dos Equis color. Oh my goodness. Dos Equis color. But now I'm gonna switch to a heavier jig head, a 3/16 ounce. Because I know it's flounder, I want it to be at the bottom. That's how I rig it, dude. These are my go-to jig heads, man. Go-to jig heads. Check them out. Lock the jig heads, or if not, message CK Mitchell and get yourself some. And look, dude, this color matches perfect. This fire tiger color and the fire tiger color in the jig head matches perfectly with that Dos Equis color. And there it is, bud. We said. Tied on another small speed clip from Topwater Company. Because whatever it was, ripped our line, dude. We're getting absolutely dumped. I'm not even paying attention. I lost that school of reds. I really want some more flounder. I really just left the reds behind just to chase some flounder. Alright, guys, we just hooked something. Didn't have my camera on. Oh my goodness, dude, you gotta be kidding me. I'm telling you, hooking contest was the freaking competition. I'd be #1. Damn oyster bed, dude. How the frick does that happen? I guess I set the hook hard enough. I yanked it off completely off the structure. Okay, let's try the top water for a bit. Put the bait bug down for a second. Maybe, just maybe, they're hitting some top water. Seeing a lot of commotion on top, so. I mean, mostly bait. I mean, it's mostly bait, but might be a trout or a redfish you're chasing this bait. On the Sally Saltese Tumbaga, dude. Gotta be a redfish. Oh, by the looks of it, it's a nice redfish too. Didn't even see what it was, but that's what I'm guessing. Topwater paid off, baby. I can't even see what it is. Oh yeah, beautiful redfish. Might be a keeper size. Oh, he's buried on that Tumbaga. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. Let's go, dude. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about on the Sally Saltese Tumbaga, baby. On the Tumbaga, baby. Beautiful South Texas redfish, guys. On that Tumbaga. Ooh, perfect. 21 and a half. Second keeper fish of the day. Let's see if we can keep it up, man. All right, guys. Hopefully we can get some more topwater action in here. Or they be cracking. And if you guys like this topwater, hit up Captain JD, man. Captain JD Crunch and Sally Saltese. Amazing people, man. And amazing lures. Hit them up on Facebook at Sally Saltese or Captain JD Crunch. Okay, guys, check this out. Oh, I scared it. I scared it. Dude, I landed on top of it. I fucked up. Big old redfish tail. Dang, I scared him, dude. He was hanging out right here. Tailing. Oh, okay. Oh, big old black truth. Big old. It's gotta be on an oyster bed, so I fuck up. My only chance. I fucked up already. Let's see if I can sneak up as close as I can. Okay, big old black drum right here. Oh, oh. Almost got him. Oh my gosh, dude. It's a big boy. It's a big boy. The closest I can without scaring him. I can't even see what it is. It's a black drum. That's a redfish. No, it's a black drum. He chased it. He's chasing the bait bug. Getting closer. Oh, there he is, there he is. There he is. It is gonna be hard. He saw me. He didn't get really spooked, but he saw me. He's running. Another black drum. One more shot before we head out. See if we don't scare him. Oh, yep. On the bait bug. Let's go. I started catching this bad boy. Damn, don't tell me I foul hooked him. It looked like he ate it. Dang, I hope I didn't foul hook him. That's a big boy, man. That's a big boy. Finally get to hear this drag on the Cast King, dude. The way it looked like he ate it, man. Come on, boy. Be a good boy. Come on. Be a good boy. Be a good boy, man. Come on. Come on, buddy. That's a big black drum, dude. Dang, it looks like I snagged them, man. What is up with me and snagging these damn black drum, dude? It's because I try to get in their face and they'll chase it, but they'll go right over that lure, and I guess I set the hook because it looked like he eats it. I think he snagged, bro. This dude's towing me around. Come on, bud. Just real quick. Just gonna be quick. We ain't gonna take long. Oh my goodness. Oh. Snagged him, bro. Dang it, it's all right. Big boy. We're gonna take some pictures and let you go, bud. It's all right. Bud. Oh. We snagged them, boys. Well, guys, we just caught a monster on our way out. We didn't catch it. I mean, we caught it, but we snagged them. Okay, still counts for me. On the bait bug. Oh, another one, dude. I can't even get this guy right. Hold up. Let's go. Big fish, baby. Texas made lures. Bait bug, Dos Equis. Big boys, man. Big fish, big boys, big fish, baby. I ain't even gonna measure him. Just gonna let him go on his way. Go ahead, buddy. Fought a good fight. Go ahead and go back home. There he goes. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I appreciate every single one of you, man. It was a tough day, but we managed. We managed to pull something out, man. We didn't get skunked. And let me tell you guys, we only came out with 2 keepers. Managed to pull out a nice stud flounder and a beautiful redfish, man. and we accidentally snagged a big old black drum, but hey, it still counts. We're gonna head out, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching this video, man. Appreciate all the support. Till the next time, we out, baby.